This is Niamul here. Today video topic is how to set up WP from submission Google Analytics event using Google Tag Manager. So first of all, you need to access some information for WP from submission tracking, Google Tag Manager access, Google Analytics access, and website access. And you need to set up the WP from your website. I think you have already, and you need to install the Google Tag Manager for your website. I think Google Tag Manager already installed your website. So let's start at how to set up step by step. So I already mentioned Google Tag Manager need to install your website. So then we can go to the preview mode. Need to check it Google Tag Manager is working or not. So I click the Google Tag Manager preview mode and I can copy the URL and connect it. Okay, I need to wait for connecting. So Google Tag Manager is connected. Then we can go to the WP from page. So my WP from available embedded this from this contact page. Go to the contact page and this is the my WP from. So I can fill up the form. This is the contact page also is coming data. Then I can click this form and information and put this test and click the send. And right now WP from information is not showing the data, so that's why we need to install the Google Tag Manager listener code for data layer purpose. So if you can go to the this page, this is the page. I can mention this page my this video description, also comment pin section. So you can go to this URL and copy. This is the copy the code. This code you can copy the code. I can also copy the code and go to the Google Tag Manager and click the new tag, and you can click the new tab, and also you can select it the custom HTML tag. Then you can put the code, custom HTML code, and selected the trigger. Trigger is WP like all page. Okay. Then click the save, and you can put the custom HTML name is WP from. Okay, and save it. Then we can go to the again preview mode. I need to wait some second. Then I can go again, click the contact page. Then I can fill up the again the form in this form test, and I can click the send. You can see right now my data layer is firing WP data layer, all information like I fill up the form name, and I can put like email, and second field test is comment section. So now we can copy the this is the event name. We can copy the event name and go to the triggers. Go to the triggers and create a new trigger. Selected the trigger and click the other section. Click the custom event and put the trigger name. And we can put the trigger name is suppose lead generation, generate lead. This is the Google Analytics standard event name. Save it. Then again we can go to the tag section, and first of all I need to put the Google Analytics measurement code. So that's why again click the new tag. Okay, new tag, and select the tag configuration, and selected the Google Analytics and selected the Google tag, and need to put the tag ID. Tag ID is go to the Google Analytics platform and go to the Google Analytics is admin section. Then click the data like data stream. Then select your website. Okay, and copy the measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID and go to the Google Tag Manager. You can put easily this one, but I'm not select this one. I can go to the click the variables and create a new variable for constant variable, okay, and put the name GA4, GA4 ID. Save. Then is selected. Then click the configure setting and click the tag parameter. We can send the page view event for this tag true. Okay. Then save it and Google tag for GA4. We can put the name. Okay. Then we need to create the new event tag. Click the new tag again and click the configure and click the GA4 and I selected the Google Analytics event tag. Okay. And put this tag event ID measurement ID. We have already create the variable, so we can just select the variable, click the this plus icon, then you can go to the you can search or you can find it. I can search this one like GA4, this one just selected. Need to put the event name. Like if you select put yourself if you know which one you need. So I can put this one generate lead because Google Analytics standard name for service-based website. Okay. Then I can put the event parameter. Event parameter is suppose page URL, page path. Okay. Then click the plus icon and search the page URL, and again click this one and search the page path. And selected the trigger we are already create generate lead. You can selected this one. Okay, and you can put the name. You can write the name which one you need, like GA4 event generate lead. Okay, then click the save. So now we are create done for the tag. Now check it Google Tag Manager is tag is working or not. So first of all, we can go to the Google Analytics admin section and now go to the data display and click the debug view. Now we can go to the again click the preview mode, continue. Website is connected, maybe I need to wait some second. Yes, website is connected. Now go to this contact page and put the information and comments or something you want, like I can click the send. See, this is the firing and Google Analytics events. This is the GA4 lead event successfully firing, and Google Analytics also some data science. This is the leads. Okay, GA4 lead. Also, you can check Google Analytics dashboard event. Okay, you can see also this section event name. But if you don't see this one, if you not see this one, you can go to the report section. Report section and click the real-time overview. This is the user is coming and see this is the lead generate lead event. Okay, so it's properly firing. So I think you understand. If you need any help, let me know. Contact my information with my description. Thank you so much.